going nowhere.
Cool, let me wash my face with cakes up. Nobody worry about what make. I nearly live like a meat just to wash my face. Nobody worry about that. Worry about something else. You understand me? Yeah, man. Zan, 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 zan. I say, through every minute area skate off for the brother like the tool she depend. My brother nail up 3 pieces of board right there so she can't come down. I say, once the area just stand up at the board and peep out like a little jailer. But you don't know what the little girl start fear do? Start fear try climb. I soon come. Alright, so now listen. I wonder if you know see me good because through his son at I don't know. Someone have a little story time for go. But bad to bad, I say me feel for wash my face in the morning, you know, so that me I do. Ari, me say Ari climb over the sitting me, go take it down. When you hear her, two she can't pass, two she can't come out.
Yeah.
I don't like how that's something you rub out, like you always have a little white look. You can't see it? But the way me look nice against the sky. It's not the truth. Lie to me. Lie to me. No, we're going for drop out. Okay, wait, let me check the angles. One thing about the angle here. On this week's weather report, one thing about the angle here. Alright, so now listen to me. I have a story time for you today. I say from what day, yeah. I want to come tell you this, you know. Hey, let me tell you something. First, I tell you, you know, if I did on my live yesterday, I really have not been feeling my best. Like, sometimes if me had, like, go through some little, I know, going through the motions and things, them time I mostly withdraw myself. Yeah, because that's what I've always done. That's what I've always done. And it's not easy to come out of something where you've been a do from your yard. You understand me? And then secondly, sometimes I feel like I constantly post the same thing over and over again. I mean, I say, come on, I don't want to say that. So sometimes I don't post none at all. And I know I'm not going to say, post it the same way, but I know I can't want to watch the same thing. But from what I'm saying, I say, what me I go post? What me I go post? I'm saying, no, so I'm going to do a story time. But me I say, what am I to tell you no? But me I say, Janu, you know, so some only little things happen to me. So today I'm going to tell you about one of the things that happened to me, okay? And this particular thing involved my brother, okay? Our favorite uncle. Until such a time when she can't tell me otherwise, I have to say our favorite uncle. Anyways, let me start off this video by saying, you see my brother? You see my brother now? What am I to say about that here? And let me clarify because I have 3 brothers. Mommy! Oh yeah. Alright, I just have a good dash Harry on our granny because she out here antagonized me. But yeah, what did I say? Yeah, me I clarify. Hold on. Me I clarify because I have 3 brothers. Alright? So the brother where on always a whole heap of breeze blowing the air. Say the breeze nice. So I hope you can't hear me. You can't see like see the bamboo in my backyard and see it blow, so you must know say the breeze a blow. Anyways, I say I can't throw off myself so when I can Jesus. Yes, so I say I clarify. Because I have 3 brothers, right? So the one who always are sitting at the middle of them, that is my youngest brother. So I think gonna see my eldest brother one time. In a one long time Sunday vlog, one time I already did a run go him. And not everybody that go see that because I don't know. I don't feel so everybody see that. But anyways, me I talk about my eldest brother right now. You see that boy, that man, tomorrow my birthday, you know. You see that man, you see ever since, I wonder if you don't see me. I don't know, so when the shadows are around, I kind of dim away. You see, ever since my father died, I feel him just feel like him naturally assume the role of the man of the house. I'm going to change the position because I just feel so nasty me. I feel like so nasty. Yeah man, I feel like him just feel like him naturally assume the man of the house position, being the eldest male in the house. And him always kinda protective. You know what I mean I say? But him also have a little aggression to him. Like, think about the typical Jamaican male. Like some of my brothers still like, girl, gangster. You know what I mean? I say, yeah, man, real big man. So, anyways, let me tell you this. You see, one time I was younger now. Lord God, I have too much things to say. Alright, let me say this. You know how when you start going to high school, I feel like you decide from, you just start going to high school from in a 7th grade, if you're going to be like a hot girl. You know, the girl with the little boyfriend them and whatever. From me going to grade 7, I know I never going to be the hot girl. I was always an idiot girl. It's like, oh, I stay now, somebody stay. I did always want to run up and down and ramp, chat foolishness. Me and my sister friend them. Yeah, man. So I never really was like the boyfriend type. Honest to God, I not lie to you. Remember me a big woman now, you know. I could have tell you now. If somebody stay, I could have tell you because I'm a big woman now. I can't bother beat me again. You see me, so I did always more, I did do my work. Only thing I did love do, I did love watch cartoon and I did love read. Yeah man, so I did the thing that my enjoyment. But you see, up my way now which part I live, there was a boy. You understand me? And this boy, I won't call him name. What we will call him? I could call him John. Alright? So there was a boy up my way named John now. So John looked like him take a little liking to me. Mind you, John couple years older than me, you know. But him supposed to go to school. But him not go to school because you know, I put on big fight up from school and him get kicked from school, him get expelled, so him not bother go to school. So I say, wait, bad boy. So I think them time I think me about 15. Yeah man. The boy like me, I'm here telling the truth. Me never like him that way there. Like if say, oh, I'm gonna be my boyfriend. And God over me, it's not telling a lie. Me never like him that way there. But me say the boy just take a liking for me. Every evening when I come from school, come like him and lay wait me down at the bus stop. And he would have follow me come up on my yard up there, so him not follow me come all the way up on my yard because you know say come on, him can't follow me come all the way up on my yard because I forgot answer to my brother. And me I forgot answer to my brother. Me I tell you so them time my brother used to beat me like a beaten stick. That's why I'm telling you say I'm aggressive like a typical jam. You understand me? Anyways, when I want to carry the story too far. Alright, so every evening the boy normally follow me come from school and yeah man, me and him would have talk. You know, I'm going to give him a little bag for carry my bag for me. I said, wait, girl, special boy, I carry my bag. So sometimes I up in the house now, you know, sometimes your parents send you out as a little pitney, you know, want to go. But I realize that when I start catching attention now, mommy now have to send me a shop again. As me, she talk about shop, me volunteer for go because I want to be seen. But I tell you the facts. So I remember one particular evening now. I know my mommy talks say she wants a supermarket. So I know say the girl says she a go. I understand because the girl want to go see John. You get me? So I go down the road now. Buy with me a buy. I don't know say I buck him up. Yeah man, buck him up. So him say I follow me come back up the road, right? So anyways, when time I reach about 5 minutes from my house now, we stop one side on the road and we say we a chat a little bit and whatever. Whenever they far from my house, you know. But I'm not so eager to reach back up. And I'm not eager for me reach back up neither. So we stop on the roadside and we did there chat and everything. Two me look down the road. Remember, you know, me and the boy, we not in a compromising position. Me not tell no lies. See them? We're not in a no compromising position. But me go look down the road now and me see my brother and one of him friend come. So from me know say from my brother see me, turn up there chat to the boy, there is no question to be asked. You just go hear say me is a bad girl pick me. So I say to him, I say shit, see my brother there come. So him now, in response to that, I don't know if him feel like him did do me a favor, I don't know if him feel like him a protect me. When it's stand up right at this look old building, right? Look like it used to be one old house. So I don't know if you burn down or one. And we stand up there so him say go on over there so when he stand up on the road so the building did the kind of behind me. So him say go on over there so. And those hours, you know, so kind of night hours, right? Him tell me now if I go lean up on the wall. So me like when I see the wall, me lean up on the wall, right? And him now in an attempt to hide me, come and stand up right in front of me. So him actually left palm in front of me. People, me never did that do nothing. Me never did that do nothing. Me no not believe me, but just believe me no man. Me never did that do nothing. The boy come stand up in front of me to hide me. Alright, me didn't know me, cause me basically the under him. See me up on the wall and stick him here in front me. Well basically, you understand me? So my brother and him friend pass me. My brother not see me, you know. My brother holding head straight and a pass go going business, you know, because it's just another man and a woman up on the roadside. And my brother friend, I will never forget, me not call your name, my brother friend. But here when the boy say, I know April that. Me don't know how him so fast to see me. The boy say, I know April that. Shit house. So when my brother look back now, my brother not say nothing either. He walk go business as usual. So, I feel like say me get to it. Come here and say maybe if my brother wanna go page me, he would have check me from right. That's alright. Little did I know, okay? Wait, one truck come. Wait. Anyways, me feel like say a piece and safety. Did I? I'm not bother rush myself. Come here, my brother don't see me, I don't do nothing. So I'm go and chat to the boy. Ray. Come up on me yard now. Hey. I say, I want to not believe me. Watch Irish here come back. Mommy they right over there, so I say I don't know if she remember that evening there and the evening turned into a night. My brother see me and I say I don't remember the exact words where I use, but like him I said to me say, oh at them the thing them want to do now. I feel like say me a woman now. I itch up on the road with man. And I said $3 my brother give me. Boom. Mommy, you don't remember that? $3 my brother give me in my face, you know. Boom. I saw me get the box them. Connect, okay? I'm saying, mommy, I look up, you know, them telling me free that my brother, and so the things that me I try fighting back. Me not fighting back. Me just did a ball and hope saying was sorry for me. You understand me? I pray that God have like a mercy and make him go on my business. Anyways, get the $3 in my face. Him cuss me, tell me what he want to tell me. It done, you know. Anyway, I did a ball now, me bex and everything. Them time in the room I'm in now, and never the room them in. So I'm gone to my room. Night come down now, I'm gone to my room. Remember everything good, you know, I get my beating from evening. I don't get my box them from evening already. I say everything good, gone to my bed now. I say one time I gone to my bed. I'm sit down and think about the $3 that my brother give me. I could not sleep. Yes, I can't believe my brother just box me up. So you know what me do now? My bed the right under one window. And if you don't know, I don't like them window there where they just know, you know, and the blade them, you don't know them real old time window there where you just push it up so. I just push up the window so and I just jump through the bomber window. I think about 2 o'clock in the AM. I jump through the bomber window. And remember me telling you say one old house used to be right beside of my yard. You know did it again. But on the front of the old house, they did have like a shop. You know them kind of building there. So 2 o'clock in the morning now, I just jump through the window and I just go stand up on the shop place right out there. So come let me and meditate my life. I say I can't believe my brother really just box me up. So anyways, I think I'm good. People, I think I'm good to go, right? Me no know what possess. I'm telling you something. My room never have no door on it because you see my father was a dangerous man, you know. Him say, what you do with privacy? I never me him do it too, but you know I going to live in a hand-me-down house. So you know, say, your older sister used to have the room that she get big now. She gone about her business, you get the room there. Yeah, man, so my father did take off the door from them time then. So my room no have no door, me just have a little curtain push up at the front. Me say me no know what pose this. Me no remember if a mommy come round the room now. I no see me. All along them now come round my room at night time. You know, but the one night me choose to jump through the bumper window and go for the place. Somebody come round my room now. I no see me. Trouble in the house again. Because I don't know if them things that you me get the box, they look like some runway or what. Me no know. Boom boom, you know, so they don't see me. Everybody start come out the road, come look for me now. Boops, my brother look and see me on the place at there. So, you not tell me what happened. You not tell me what happened. 3 more box me get in my face. Woom, woom, woom. 6 box in my face, you know. I mean, I tell me, say, some my brother used to beat me, you know, but you know that try with me now, no? Try with me now, come me chuck you. You can't play with me. Yeah, man, I'm gonna get the box in my face. And I think mommy did that try to talk to me. And I said, April, what you do out here, sir? Ray. Because them figure more or less that through the window me jump. Because if they come through the door, somebody would have seen me or hear me. So them know that I jump through the window. So I don't know if it's a case where them think that nothing bad me gonna do. I don't know, but my brother come out there. And you see like, come like them did a worry for me safety. And as soon as them see say, me safe and nothing not do me and me not gonna do nothing. Yeah, man. All of the worry get replaced with anger. I'm going to say 3 more boxes in my face. I mean, I tell her, say, enough time I look back on them days there, you know, because I whole heap of beating I get from my brother, you know. And I say it is so ironic because mommy nor daddy never beat me. And Daniel want to come beat me. But you can't beat me again, I beg. I beg, you can't beat me again, okay? Yeah, man, I just thought a little story time them come give you know. Obviously nothing never come out right. Because I'm my biggest brother, as me tell you know, him just feel like same assume like a father roll over me. So in a film him feel like him a protect me from something else. You know, the guy too, John, did a film friend. You understand me? So maybe him know something with me never know. Maybe him know same galley. So I feel like him a protect me. I understand it now, but them time I just feel like say John, my brother don't like me. When brother backs me for my face. Because I can't tell you no 100 more story about my brother beat me. And sometimes one not even beat me for nothing. Anyways, we're not gonna dwell point on one little story time I come you know. You understand me? What me I gonna title this? Me I call it when my brother catch me and do the dougal. Even though I never did that dougal. You understand me? Mommy said me not to do that, but that me I go do. Yeah, man, so that is the end of the story time, guys. Only don't cuss me. I know that I have been missing. I think the last time I posted one video was last week, Sunday, and today, Tuesday. And when I did on live yesterday, I tell you, say me I go do the story time. But guess what? Remember me telling you, say it's just me and Irene. And nobody never come in time. By the time anybody come up, could have watch Irene, me just do the story time. I did late at night, so I don't know. I never really late, but I did night. Night did come down. So I could have do it, and I'm sorry because my life may be true to my word, but it is out of my control. So I just try to do it for early this morning. You understand me? I'm gonna have one next story time. I'm want you know me. I wonder if I just end the video, yeah, and just do it right now. Yeah, me just put Eric to bed and do it right now, and then post it next day. You understand me? Yeah, man. But that's the end of the story time, guys. I just want to say, you know, let's get a little bit feely over here. I just love the community that we've built over here. You know, honestly, you know, you guys are my friends. We are friends over here, so una know. Me not delusional. Me I'm not a friend. Yeah, man, and big up everybody with that text me on Instagram and ask me if I'm good and everything. Me not answer some of the messages yet because I'm telling somebody kind of in a little. How about it? Jesus Christ, I frighten me. Now. Come and say with piece of stick. Me in a little funk, man. That's why I never respond. Me I go through and answer everything when I'm done. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.